Today we'll take a look at Misty Jungle's Halo Ring Light Indoor Plant Grow Light, an unboxing and review. It comes with your user manual, your power adapter, 4 stainless aluminum poles, 96 high-quality bright LED beads in a full-spectrum LED light, accelerating photosynthesis and effectively promoting the growth of indoor plants all year round, which is adjustable to 10 different level brightness, and a timing switch control of 3 hours, 9 hours, or 12 hours. A nice solid base plate. To install, you want to use the threaded poles and attach it to the base plate, and the pole with a lamp cap on it is the last pole at the very top. To connect the wire connectors, you need to twist it to lock it in place and secure the connection. Now it's fully assembled. And this lamp can reach a height of a maximum of 66.5 inches if you use all 4 poles, to as short as 31.2 inches. So it's convenient to use to stand alone on a floor, or if you want it shorter so that you can place it on a table or a desk. Looking at the control panel, you can see that there are 3 settings for timer: 3 hours, 9 hours, and 12 hours. You can set your desired time so that it automatically shuts off once the time expires. The brightness is also adjustable from 10% to 100% by simply clicking on the plus and minus buttons to adjust the desired brightness. The weighted base is made of premium material and offers stable support and gives extra height to large plants. The aluminum shell ensures efficient heat dissipation, extending the light's lifespan, and the light will not be hot when you accidentally touch it for added safety. The grow light features a 360-degree independent adjustable design, allowing you to set the perfect angle. It mimics the sun, and the ring-shaped lamp head doubles as modern decor for any space. Concealed wiring emphasizes harmony with the environment, while warm natural light enhances comfort and seamlessly complements your home decor. You can even use it as a normal lamp light for your room or your living room, for reading on your couch. Wattage is 20 watts and the average life is 5,000 hours. If you're looking for indoor light for your plants to help them grow, consider Misty Jungle and their Halo Ring Indoor Plant Grow Light. Very easy to use, simple to install, made with premium quality materials, perfect for growing indoor plants with its full spectrum LED light to help plants all year round grow and growing various plants such as herbs, succulents, orchids, tomatoes, and more. Plants can grow up to 5 times faster than in nature. For more information on this product or where to buy it, take a look at the links in the description down below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if anyone found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe. And until next time.